Isang shrimp na may butter. Ito ang nalaidi ang butter. Put the butter na.
Huh?
Okay. Okay.
Liko-liko siya.
Ara na, ilugay yun ang butter. Okay, butter. Sige na. Kaya ang butter, nanginaya lang. Tapos, ang garlic. Tapos, garlic na. Oh, put the garlic na. Ilagay mo na ang garlic. Okay, very good. Very good si Asmon. And then, next, ang onion. After that, you put onion. Put onion. Show the onion muna. Okay, that's the onion. It smells good. Okay, and then, we put some, wait lang, onion, meron pa. We put some luya, ginger. Later, wait lang. Sautay mo muna yung onion and then garlic. Okay? Seryoso na. Tapos guys, wait lang guys. Wait lang, mamaya na po. Tapos guys, may lugay-lugay sa iyo. Mix. Sabihin mo.
Mix.
Ito. Oh, wala ako now. Para ako. Mix until the garlic is golden brown. And
itlog.
ano ito?
Lagyan ng itlog kasi maganda.
Hindi na ito. Ang itlog yan.
Wala naman.
Mix.
Ayan, yan.
Mix. Dali lang. Eh, sinugasan pa natin ito. What's this? Ginger. Okay. I think we have to add some butter.
Butter?
Yes. We add some butter. Para butter yung lasa.
Yung lasa? Butter.
After that, okay, golden brown na ang kanyang garlic. Ilalagay na ni ang this one, the shrimp. Okay. Oh!
Ako na.
Good.
Uy, good.
Not good.
Mama, ako na.
Mix. And you put some pepper, konti. Isang lagay lang. Okay na. Okay. Put some asin. And put some salt. One lagay lang. Yes, ganun. Masimanin na lang. Okay.
Ako na.
One lang. Okay. Done.
Easy. Easy is good. Easy is good. Wow. Mama, ako na.
Oh, you put some butter. Okay, we're gonna add some butter.
Ito butter?
Yes. Show the butter. We're gonna add some butter. Okay.
Mama, ako na.
This is your favorite, right? This is your favorite, baby.
Yes.
That's why you're taking this one. Because this is your favorite. Diba?
This is good.
Tastes good.
Mango? Mango yung butter?
The color is yellow like mango, but
Yellow?
the taste is not mango.
Mango? What?
Mango is matamis, right?
Wait a minute.
Okay. Careful ha. Careful. Oh, we're gonna put some green pepper. Look, this is green. Yeah. Mix.
Hello guys.
Ang sabihin mo sa kanila, hello guys, I'm cooking.
Ano?
This is water, a little bit of water.
Water?
Yeah.
What?
But I think no need na. Because it's masarap kaya. Then we're gonna taste mo.
Ako ba yun? Ay ko bakit? Kim!
Wait lang.
Bakit itinda ko yan?
Wait. We're gonna put some water. We're gonna tune now.
Tulay ka, tapos lagay ka.
Yeah. Bebe, si mami na. Hindi naman mix. Araw. Mix. This is water.
Lagyan.
And then a little bit of pepper and salt. Okay. We're gonna mix. Oh, we're gonna put this careful. Good job. Okay. Wait lang. Mix mo. Dito pa. Oh, mix. Oh, makasok pa ha. Be careful. Wait lang. Hindi pa natin na mix.
Hello, wala na tawag.
Let's papa. So, bye-bye na guys. Bye-bye na.
Bye.
Okay. Amo na lang na. That's ulam na Edi for today. Okay. Tapos na magluto si Edi.